Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial video on how to download, install, and open IXC digital app on your TV or screen from Google Play Store or Amazon Fire TV. Select Upload Media or choose Images or Videos. From the main menu, press the Upload button to add media directly from your device. You can upload a single image or video or multiple images and videos simultaneously. The selected media has been uploaded successfully. Next, we'll create a playlist to broadcast on the TV. Choose the images or videos you want to broadcast. Next, click the Add to Playlist button. Give your playlist a name and click the Save button. Navigate to the Playlists tab in the main menu. All your created playlists will be displayed here. Click the Duration button to set the slide delay. The default duration is 60 seconds. To apply the same duration to all slides, select Set for all content in the playlist. Finally, click the Update button. The slide durations are now updated and your playlist is ready to go. Ensure that the IXC digital app is installed on your TV or screen via Google Play or Amazon Fire TV before starting the broadcast. Press the Broadcast button. Click Create TV Screen to set up your new screen input, the screen code shown on the IXC digital TV app on your TV screen. Assign a screen name for easy identification. Specify the screen location if broadcasting to a screen in a different location. Click Save to create the screen and start broadcasting. Great job! Your playlist is now playing on your TV or screen. To stop broadcasting, navigate to Display Screens TVs. The screen displaying your selected playlist will be visible. Click the Stop button and confirm to stop. This will end the broadcast, and your TV screen will return to the pairing code display.